Hello and welcome to Digibuddy. Digital media has become an integral and transformative aspect of our modern world, impacting various facets of society, communication, business, entertainment, education, and more. Its importance is evident through the following key points. Global reach. Digital media marketing transcends boundaries, connecting businesses with a worldwide audience. Targeted engagement. Precise audience targeting ensures your message reaches those most likely to convert. Cost-effective. Achieve remarkable results with a fraction of the cost compared to traditional advertising. Measurable impact. Real-time analytics provide insights into campaigns, aiding in informed decision-making. Enhanced interactivity. Engage customers through interactive content, fostering stronger brand-consumer relationships. Personalization. Tailor content to individual preferences, boosting relevance and customer satisfaction. Brand building. Consistent online presence fosters brand recognition and credibility. Instant communication. Rapidly communicate updates, offers, and news, fostering timely interactions. Diverse formats. Leverage videos, blogs, social posts, and more to resonate with varied audience preferences. SEO benefits. Effective digital strategies enhance search engine visibility, driving organic traffic. Social media amplification. Harness the power of social sharing for exponential reach and engagement. Competitor analysis. Gain insights into competitors' strategies and consumer sentiment to refine your approach. Adaptability. Quickly adapt campaigns based on real-time performance, staying ahead in dynamic markets. Lead generation. Capture leads through forms, landing pages, and CTAs, fueling your sales funnel. Data-driven decisions. Utilize data to refine campaigns, optimize strategies, and maximize ROI. Digital media marketing is the cornerstone of modern business success, offering unparalleled opportunities for growth and engagement. Thank you so much for watching this video. Save this video and share it to your circle. Don't forget to follow the Digibuddy.